Why first? Because it has to stand for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add. You're going to have to cut the chicken in half anyway, so. And like when I wake up, I'm going to make it. This is going to be.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Okay, guys, so in order to make this sandwich taste good, we have to marinate it for a couple of hours. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. It's kind of late, but my mind is stuck on this sandwich because I think it's amazing. So I'll just clean this in vinegar water. What I'm going to do is make my buttermilk DIY first because it has to stand for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add these suckers in this bag, pound on it, and then put some seasoning on it and marinate it for a couple of hours. Maybe like 8 to 10 hours, not 24, because I'm ready to cook this as soon as I wake up. Alright, so come on with me. I will be making 6 pieces, so I'm going to take out 3 because you're going to have to cut the chicken in half anyway, so I'm going to take 3 and put them in this bag here. I think I have like 6 buns, so I want to make them all tomorrow. Everybody can try it in the house. This is a nice piece. And one more, let's see. Some nice pieces. We're gonna do this piece. Yeah, I don't know what the hell. I'm gonna do this piece. So I'm gonna season these up for another thing and then add them in a bag and put them back in the freezer. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a cup of milk. And a tablespoon of vinegar. 5 minutes for it to curdle, and then that's going to be the start of the buttermilk. But as we wait for 5 minutes of this, I'm going to pound those chickens over there. See? All right, guys. So I will be using this to pound them, but I don't know if I'm do it with the camera. But I'll pound them and I'll come back to you guys. Add the buttermilk in there. All right, and then we're gonna do some garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika. Okay, I don't, when it comes to seasoning, I do not measure anything. I just do what I have to do. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we are finished with this part. I'm about to put it in the refrigerator, and like when I wake up, I'm going to make it. This is going to be my breakfast, lunch. I don't care. This is so exciting to do. So yeah, look at this. Seasoned so well. I'm ready to eat it now. But I'm going to go ahead and marinate it. Wow, this is going to be beautiful. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay y'all, so I turned my stove on. Got the oil ready. Now I'm about to do my flour mixture, my spicy mayo mixture. Alright, so we're going to first do a cup of flour, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt. And also the buttermilk mixture that we did last night. Okay, don't forget to whisk it with a fork. And then, of course, my son helped me do this mixture right here. So now we're going to add our chicken in here. And then once we add our chicken in here, we're going to go ahead and make our mayo sauce. Okay, guys, so I cut my chicken breast in half. I put it in here, and then I'm going to start my mayo sauce. Once I finish that, then I'm going to go ahead and make it look real good and juicy for the stove. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's go. So we're going to need for this mayo sauce is some mayo and garlic powder. Some of that hot sauce. And of course, again, paprika. I've used this so much in just this particular video. And I don't even like mayo, guys, so let's see. Okay, this is my sauce. Oh my god, it smells so good. But I don't like mayo, so I'm dying to see how this tastes. And thanks to my guest star, he helped me create it too, right? You did this for me?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so we're gonna come over here. And of course, I'm going to add some bread and butter chip pickles. Okay, y'all. Yay. Okay, y'all, so walk with me to my little section, alright? Alright, so I'm about to try and tell you guys how it tastes. One piece? Tastes good? Mmm. This tastes so good, y'all.
It's so good.
Please? I'm gonna add some more sauce on this, but
It's so good.
try this and then tag me how yours came out. Okay, and this is like the best chicken sandwich ever. Alright guys, this sandwich tastes so good. Please try it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, alright? Bye, peace.